Hi guys, welcome back to Hush for Delicacies. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the ultimate vanilla cake recipe. And here are my ingredients. I have my butter, my eggs, my flour, my sugar, my flavor, my buttermilk, my milk powder, baking powder, salt, and nutmeg powder. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add in my sugar into my butter, and I'm going to mix this together till it will blend in and dissolved. Now, why I call this an ultimate recipe is because of the flavor I'm using. Now, in that cup containing the flavor are 4 different flavors there, and that is the ultimate recipe. That is my recipe. Now, I have my vanilla flavor, strawberry, banana, and butterscotch in that cup, and I'll be dropping the recipe notes below of each of the measurements I used for the flavor, and that is the key to your ultimate vanilla cake recipe. Alright, so I'm done making these butter and sugar. As you can see, I've creamed them well together and it's well creamed. And now I'm going to add in my eggs. Why I always advise you not to add your egg at once is because there might be some spoiled one and all your effort, both your butter and sugar mixture, will be wasted. That's why I always say it's better you pour them in a bowl, then you can just add them into your butter and sugar. You can add them one at a time, or you can just add them like this, or you use your hand mixer to whisk the eggs together first before you just pour it into your butter and sugar. Okay, so I'm done adding my eggs to this, and now I'm going to just give it a little bit of stirring. And once I'm done, I'm going to scrape down the side because this is very important. And now I'm going to pour in my flavors. Once you do this, your cake will be very delicious, and the aroma of your kitchen, the aroma in your kitchen will be so great. The aroma of your cake, it will be so great, and also the taste. Your customers will keep coming back. So once I'm done mixing this together, I'm going to just set this aside and mix my dry ingredients together. Now it's always advisable to sift your dry ingredients together to avoid having lumps or granules in your cake. So I'm just going to use my wooden spatula to mix this, my spatula to mix this together. And I'm going to add in half of this into my butter, sugar, and egg mixture. Now, I always advise my students to always switch to a spatula at this stage. If you don't have a large spatula, you should use a wooden spatula, and I'm going to do exactly that later in this video. So I'm just going to cream this together and add a little bit of buttermilk to this. I'm not going to add all at once. I'm going to reserve half for the remaining ones, and I'm just going to cream this together. I'm going to add in the remaining flour as well as my buttermilk. It's always advisable for you to use a spatula for this and not your hand mixer, so that your cake will not come out dense due to over mixing. And so I've switched to my wooden spatula and I think it's ready. So I'm just going to pour this into my cake pan and send it straight to my oven. I'm just going to tap this on my work surface to release every air bubble that are under the cake, and I'm going to bake this. So as you can see, my cake is ready. Looks beautiful. Now make yours and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.